outstanding! Oh, that was so close.
In half a mile, take the A1 hexadecimal 60505 BCDC 4A55 F2D 2542 segment. Exit.
So look at this, it's down to under 5/10 between the two of them. Now he needs to redeploy DRS. The slip through this turn, which becomes the inside for the next one. He's coming back at him now because, of course, he's got DRS, so needs to stick his elbows out, and he does! Oh my goodness me! I mean, talk about, well, look at this! As Sven gets the momentum off the back of the hairpin. How on earth did he do that? Two old stalwarts of racing here doing a fantastic job and providing such great entertainment for us.
Das Rechtsüberholen für sich ist 100 € und einen Punkt. Also gehen Sie mal vom Fahrverbot auf jeden Fall aus.
So, hallo, die Polizei ist hier. Da dürfen Sie nicht drüber fahren. Das kostet einmal 20 €.
Ich bin Zeuge! Anzeige ist raus!